Hi, M5776. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day sir and ma'am. My name is Myla Eusebio. I'm 39 years old. I'm happily single and I'm a Roman Catholic. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I'm the fifth.
Your highest educational attainment.
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in UAE.
I have 4 years and 6 months experience in UAE. I taking care of 2 adults, 28 and 30, and then I taking care of 2 senior,
Okay.
and my main duty is I cleaning the house, I washing the clothes, I iron the clothes, I washing the plates, and I washing the
Car washing,
car,
right?
car washing.
Okay, how many car do you car wash?
4?
4. So you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, right?
No.
Okay, you don't have any experience. But it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes.
But do you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn baby?
Yes.
And what will you do to the baby if the baby is crying?
I will check first the diaper,
Okay?
and then I feed the baby. Maybe it's hungry, and then I check the body temperature.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is safe place and high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in 2 years. I finish my contract. Then as long as my employer wants me to stay, and then I will.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, I don't.
Okay.
But I'm willing to learn.
You are willing to learn. And how will you learn?
From watching from YouTube and learning from cookbook.
Okay.
And then if my employers, my madam and sir preparing the foods, I will help them.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do. You could help them if they preparing a food, or you could also ask them if they could teach you how to prepare. It is okay to you to take care of an elderly.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer? It is okay with you?
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay.
It is okay
Yes.
with you? Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me because I'm a honest and trustworthy and hardworking helper, and I will take care of your baby as my own.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Myla. Thank you.
Thank you.